Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the factors of 210 using prime factorization. In this method we divide numbers using prime numbers and find their factors. So let's write 210 and find its prime factors. So as 210 is an even number, it is easily divisible by number 2 times 1 is 2, then there is 1. 1 is not divisible by 2, so we'll put a 0 in between, and then now there is 10, so 2 times 5 is 10. Now 105 is an odd number, so we are going to use the next prime number 3 to divide 105. 3 times 3 is 9, 1 is remainder, this becomes 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Now 35 is not fully divisible by 2 or 3, so we are going to use the next prime number 5. 5 times 7 is 35, and 7 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. So we got the factors of 210, and the factors of 210s are all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder, which is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. These are all the prime factors of 210. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.